what the festival means to me and certainly I think for just about every one of the Brits and the Germans and the other people who come here is the camaraderie and coming here, the warmth, the sun. We're just a loose group of friends that meet at different festivals and get together.
We're here on the Friday talking to you when they bring the schools here, and you've got the kids.
This is particularly good here at this beach because the kids all fly the kites down the bottom near the sea. But when we fly for the first day at the festival at El Corralejo, they fly in amongst us and we spend all day in fits of laughter. The local authority provides kites for all the kids, which this year I've never seen so many. So if you go down there, it looks like a massive knitting in the sky.
You planning to come back next year?
Absolutely. Look to book just after Christmas and then get on with the kiting season in the UK, and when it draws to a close, think, well, not long to Fuerte.
Dick, it's been an absolute pleasure having this conversation.
Yeah,
Lovely to have a conversation about the Kite Festival here and someone kind of on the inside as well. So really appreciate you talking to us today.
All the best to you.
And all the best to you too.